Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to test the Lasfit LS Plus LED lights. Come on, let's check it out. Alright, so for this one, this is the new generation of the LS Plus series from Lasfit. And looking in this side, this is the 9005 model. So we're going to install this one out on my high beam or my secondary high beam on my 4RUNNER. So if you're using a 4RUNNER like from 2009 to 2019, you can use this as your high beam. So mine, I have a 2022 and I have a bi-LED headlight, projector headlight, but I converted my DRL to be my secondary high beams. So we're going to install that there. All right, let's open this one up. Again, the packaging is different. So they have this pull tab. I think this is like for shipping only. But yeah, so they have this pull tab in here, which gonna reveal the main product. All right, so packaging wise, again, very good product box in here, packaging. So LS Plus LED, and here in the back we have the listed specs. So it says here for the lightning source, it has some customized auto-grade LED chips. For the voltage, it says 12 to 16 volts. They are 6,000 Kelvin. And they come with 2-year warranty and comes with 2 LED bulbs. All right. So again, this is the 9005. Let's open them up. All right. So I've been using Lasfit products for a while, for about 2-3 years. So on and off, I've been installing and uninstalling them because I'm trying some other bulbs. But the Lasfit LED lights, basically they're nice. They're very bright, very well made. Okay, so this one, basically it comes with a product manual, basically. And some spare O-ring in here. Okay, and the main product will be in here. So let's just remove this. So this is the main bulb. Okay, so it comes with 6 chips on each side. So total of 12. So they have a fan. And they have the LED controller in here, which is gonna be nice. That's gonna be less heat if they're built in. Some of them, they are built in and they add like additional temperature from the housing itself. So these are nice that they have this. Okay, and even has the warning in here that it is a high temperature housing, so it can be really hot. Okay, so that's nice that they did an external LED driver controller, whatever you call it. But yeah, so this is what we have in here. So same thing on the other side. Okay, so for this one, it's gonna be a quick install for this. You should know how to remove your LED lights or your halogen bulbs if you have some halogen in there. But if you want to see how to install this, I'll put some link up here. Okay, and I have a ton of videos installing LED lights on your 4RUNNER. Okay, so I'll install this. Let's do some comparison. Okay, I'll take some shots of the halogen being turned on. All right, be right back. All right, so we're inside of the car right now. I'm gonna show you how your typical halogen light looks like. These are 65 watts halogen high beams. All right, so that's how they look like. Again, on mine, I can control my high beams separately than my low beams. So those are my low beams. These are my halogen high beams. Okay, so this is my secondary high beams from the bi-LED. So, but showing you just the high beams alone, the 9005. Okay, next thing I'm gonna show you is the comparison side by side of the halogen and the LED. All right. Also, a quick tip on this one: use the spare rubber O-ring, enable for you to install this properly on your high beam. All right. So let's put this, and we're going to test them together. All right. So we're inside of the car now. We're going to test both of the LED now. All right. Dang, those are bright. I love it. Very bright. Yep. There you go. Nice. All right. We're gonna check if we have a chance to drive around. Cannot really leave the house right now, but as you can see there, they are bright. So I'm gonna turn on my low beams. Okay. So those are my low beams, and these are my factory high beams. Okay. So you'll still see some in there that it's kind of aiming it or beaming it out. But I wired this secondary high beam on my switch panel in here. All right. So that's why I'm able to control the high beams. So yeah, so those are bright and also very quiet. While inside of the cabin, you cannot really hear the fan running on this LED. So we're gonna step out of the car. Let's listen to the fans. If they are very loud, like annoyingly loud, we will see. But again, inside of the cabin, I cannot hear them. All right, so here outside, you can see here, very bright. Settings on my camera right now, ISO, basically maximum will be 800. And then my white balance is on 6,000 Kelvin. All right. And my shutter speed is 1:50. All right. So as you can hear, I can hear the fan. So, but not annoyingly loud. It's okay. So if you're gonna have some high output LED like this, you'll need some good fans. So again, the fan noise that I'm hearing, it is acceptable. Okay. It's not annoyingly loud. All right. So yeah. So if you want to purchase these lights, okay, to be used as your high beams for the 2019 below 4Runner, you can purchase this. I'll put the link in the description below. You can use my discount code also to save some from your purchases. All right. So yeah. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.